Hello, and welcome to the return of Tankmanjoe 2. As you've seen, we haven't posted in a bit, but that's changing today. Because we have some new delicious things to try. We have gingerbread man Peeps, snowman Peeps, and show it off assistant, Christmas tree Peeps. Let's get started.
我现在握有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。电视速度与激情中，你冰淇淋。
Welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with...
These have no calcium! Tankmanjoe.
We are going to try some Peeps. He already introduced it. I needed to get my piece in, okay. All right, anyway. Let's get started.
Yes, let's.
What are we going to try first?
So, which one do you want to try first?
Well, let's start off with snowmen.
Right.
Okay, now as you can see, these are Peeps. And full disclosure, these were picked up at a store that's called Big Lots.
Wait, really?
Yes, Big Lots. And for those of you who are
I guess
in
the stores end up turning into Big Lots after they're gone.
What? Anyway, and as you can see here, it's $1.50 for 3 ounces of pure unadulterated sugar.
Right.
And a serving size, 2 snowmen.
We're looking snowman day.
You know the one with your thumb?
Oh.
It's the one that you're going to eat,
Yeah,
okay?
But look at those. Those look weird. They look strange. What are those?
Do you remember, what's the name of Ghostbusters? This is the little guy, you know, remember? What was it, the Stay Puft Marshmallow guy?
Well.
All right, here's a close-up. You're not missing much here. Okay, so let's try it. Sugar-coated?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
But, before you say that, there's something special about these. Get a cup of water, get your marshmallow, and dip it. And now, this is good.
This is no longer called Tasty
You need
Finds.
to try this. Like, see, dip in the water, and then.
Moving on. Moving on.
Really good.
Yeah.
I give it a 4.
You give it a 4. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 4, 4 meaning pick it up next time you see it. A 1 means hard pass. He already said he'll give this a 4 because he just likes the sweet taste and the calming effect of the water as it gets dipped in. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm giving this a 1.
What?
Because
How?
I have been over Peeps for a very long time. Peeps? I don't know. I don't want to catch diabetes.
Bro, Peep, how?
Because it's nothing but sugar.
No, it's not.
Yeah, okay, take a look.
No! Look. You get some potassium. And some calcium.
As he's hacking away at this packaging, these snowmen, we are going to be fortunate enough to be consuming dye because they are green. And a serving size, 3 trees. So basically,
The trees look somewhat consistent. They look better than the snowman.
It does not have a flavor, so I'm sure it's just going to be crunchy. I feel like I got cheated to eat basic marshmallows on film. What the heck?
Not basic.
Ooh, yeah.
Get a cup of water. You know what you need to do.
Tank, I got a question. Why are we tasting these? There's nothing to them. They're just Peeps that are shaped like Christmas things. It just,
Are you sure about that though? There's very different flavor in these.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 4, I give this a 1.
I give this a 4.
Oh gosh. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. How does it taste?
They're good.
What is that water doing for you? Rinse in your mouth? Okay.
It enhances the flavor. Trust me, it's really good. Alright, let's check out these.
Gingerbread men. Let me just take a look here.
Oh.
I'm hoping to see that this is going to be different
Yes.
than what we already tried. Serving size, this container. So that's 3 gingerbread men. Ooh, man. Well, we're going to get some red dye, some yellow dye, and some blue dye.
Color.
Yeah, that's the color.
Yeah.
That's what dye does. It colors things. Okay.
That's why there's dye.
But they're,
But, okay, let's get started.
yeah, let's get started as quickly as
Now
I can.
these are going to be different. These are going to be the most different.
Why do you say that?
Well, gingerbread.
Holy crap!
What did they do to us? What the heck? What did they do?
What the heck is
They massacred them. They got.
Oh my gosh.
People see this. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, I'm not tasting that. That looks awful. You would not be eating that. Oh, well, you can if you want.
I'm done. Video over.
Yeah, I haven't tasted that, but I can honestly say I will
We'll
give,
get some test subjects.
I'll give this a 1.
I'll give it a 4.
Do we? You will actually buy this again.
No, I'll give it a 4.
Look at. We should actually make this our thumbnail. Anyway,
Alright.
if you like what you saw, give us a thumb up.
We tried some boring basic peeps. Give us a thumbs up.
This is the most basic we ever been. Anyway, okay. Until next time. Until next time, everyone.
Tankmanjoe 2. Another perfect video. Another epic video. More epic content. Going straight to your screens.
Okay, we're gonna have to work on your outro.
Yes, we will.
Okay, talk to you later.
All right.